Join me, Nikki Dean, as we celebrate 40 years of the UK's largest quarrying, construction and recycling exhibition. As the construction sector steps up the pace on the road to net zero, Hillhead is the perfect place to check out the latest technological advancements, innovations and energy-saving solutions to help us all on the way to a more sustainable future. 3 days of content focusing on how the built environment can reach net zero. Installer Show are expecting 10,000 visitors over the 3 days, and we've got over 100 speakers talking about everything from social housing retrofit right through to EV charging infrastructure. It's the first time here at the NEC, and it's the biggest show we've ever done with over 300 exhibitors. The show's aimed at heating engineers, plumbers and electricians, as well as building services engineers, social housing professionals and local authorities, all of whom have some pretty big changes coming up when it comes to how we heat and power our buildings. Hello and welcome to MDL Marina's Green Tech Boat Show here at Queen Anne's Battery in Plymouth. I'm on the Vita Seal fully electric boat, just one of the innovative green technologies on display here. So let's go and check out the show. The health and environmental benefits of e-bikes are numerous. They're classed as zero-emission vehicles, so you'll be doing your bit towards helping the environment and lowering carbon emissions.
Let's look ahead to the future then of retail. I think we've discussed some of the ways in which the retail environment has changed. That's down to lots of different factors. Technology is changing what people expect from brands. We've got millennials, which consume completely differently. So what does the future of retail look like?
With inspiring, timeless design that's as smart as it is stylish, and intuitive, future-facing technology that helps to make driving easier, safer and more enjoyable, it's easy to see how the Nissan Ariya rethinks what an electric car can be. Top tips for a business looking to adopt new technologies. The first thing that I'd say is do your research. There's loads of podcasts out there, I'm listening to them all the time. Ask questions, network, look at what your competitors are doing and definitely embrace. You can't stand on the sidelines anymore. We will be talking to you a bit more about cybersecurity as well, which I know is your particular area of interest. Dr. Harron, tell us a little bit about your role. Then I mentioned Spot the Dog. If you could, kind of in a nutshell, tell us what it is that you do, a little bit about how Spot the Dog is involved in that, and also what you think for everybody in the room here, what would be kind of your main focus or where you think businesses should be most focused in terms of future tech.
And last but not least, we have Phil Hutchins, CEO and founder of Dice. Thank you. Okay,
where will VR be in the future, say 5, 10, even 20 years from now? What do you think virtual reality will look like, and how do you think we'll overcome the barriers that we currently have that are stopping us right now from being there? Doing some fantastic work, absolutely brilliant, groundbreaking work. Talk to them about how they get started, ask questions and break down those barriers, because technology is for everyone and it's here to stay.